So you probably switched to the Brave browser because you were tired of the Google Chrome eating your RAM and Google tracking your every move. But here's the cold hard truth, 99% of the users are still using the Brave completely wrong, as they just install it and they think they are suddenly invisible online. But you are actually leaving some of the most powerful privacy and performance features turned off by default. And today in this video, I will be making the Brave browser clean and even optimize it so that from now onwards you will be able to enjoy the perfect Brave browser. And as of now, you can see when you will bring up the Brave browser, you will be getting this kind of home page. And first I will be making it neat and clean. So you can open up a new tab. And here in the browser on the right hand top, you will find this settings icon. You need to click on it. And from here, you can just customize your Brave browser. So in the background image where it says show background image, if you want that it should show you any kind of image, then you can just keep this option enabled. But you need to disable this show new tab page ad. Disable it. Then come to the search and it says show search widget in the new tab. You will have to disable it again. Come to top sides, show top side, we can also disable it, there is no need of it. Brave news, I really don't think that you need it, so go ahead and disable the Brave news. Then click on back to dashboard. Come to clock, I will also disable the clock, cards. I will go ahead and disable all these Brave VPN, Brave rewards, Brave talk. Brave stat, I will keep it enabled because it shows me what exactly is being blocked, what is the number. But if you don't want this as well and want to be disabled, then you can go ahead and disable it. Personally, I will keep this enabled. Okay, so now I will just close it. And bingo, so now you can see we have a neat and clean page, much neat and clean. And below the stat option, that shows me what kind of bandwidth has been saved and what kind of trackers and ad has been blocked. It gave me all report, but still there are many more things that need to be done. And if you look at the right hand top, you can see many icons here like the Brave VPN. I really don't use it, so I will again make a right click on it and click hide VPN button in a toolbar. Then we have the Leo AI, so I will right click on it again and click hide Leo AI icon. Wallet, so again I will hide it. And then we have the sidebar. And even I want that this should be disabled, this should be hidden, there should be no sidebar. So I will right click on the sidebar here and choose it to never. Alright, so now it looks perfect. And now we have to do some customization and optimization from the settings. So click on this 3 line at the right hand top. Then you have to choose settings, click on it. And in the settings from the left hand side, you need to click on appearance. And in the appearance, show home button disable, you will have to enable it. It's really important. Below it says show autocomplete suggestion in the address bar. So you can keep this enabled if you want to, and whichever option you don't need, you can uncheck it like Leo AI, quick command. I don't need it on device suggestion. I will keep this off. Then come to the tab section below. Scroll down, use vertical tab if you want that there should be a vertical tab like on the left hand side, whatever you browse. I personally don't like it, but you can test it. It should be like this. On the top, it will show you on the left hand side. I really don't like it, so I will keep this off. Then look for the tab hover mode and you can make it to card with preview. That looks much better. And here above the tab, I missed one thing, show rounded corner on the main content area. You need to enable this option, and it will be giving you the rounded corners of the area, whichever box you will be looking for. Then again scroll up to the appearance section and look for the customize your toolbar, click on it. And here you can even disable the tab search, that bookmark option. If other of these options are being enabled, then you can also disable it like the wallet, Leo, VPN. And if you come to the very bottom in the address bar, you will find the reward. Disable it, add RSS feed, disable it. Rest of these two, you can just keep them enabled. Okay, now again come to the settings. And this time instead of the appearance, you will have to come to the shield section. And in the shield section, you all know that Brave is very popular in blocking any kind of trackers who are trying to track your activity, any kind of adware. So what we will do, where it says tracker and ad blocking, we will change this from standard to aggressive so that it can aggressively block all kind of trackers or any kind of cookies that are stealing our information. Okay, this is very important. You need to change it. Okay, and after that you have Web3, the Leo. I don't use the Leo, so if you also don't want to enjoy it and you want to boost the performance of your Brave browser, especially when you are not using the Leo AI, then you should go ahead and disable this, all of them. And then you can come to extensions, and if you are using any kind of extension that you don't identify or you're not using it, then you should go ahead and disable it. Keep in mind, extensions you only need to use when you really need them, when you are taking a regular use of it, or else you should go ahead and just remove from your browser, whether you are using the Brave, Chrome or any other browser. Alright, now finally we have to optimize it, some of the settings. To come to the privacy and security section, and first you have to click on delete browsing data. You might be browsing on Brave from a long time and it has collected a lot of cookies, cache and many other data, so you need to delete them. To come to the advanced instead of basic, time range, choose it to all time, and here you can select whatever you have to delete. You can leave passwords and autofill form data unchecked so that these information should not be deleted. The rest you can check all of them and click on delete data. After deleting the browsing data, you will have to click on security, and where it says advanced, use secure DNS. So where it says select DNS provider. Now I would recommend you choose any best DNS service from here, like the Cloudflare or the Google, so that you should get the better speed, better response while browsing or downloading any kind of file. So either you can go with the Cloudflare or Google, depending that which matches best for you according to your physical location. As of now, I will go with the Cloudflare here. And then finally from the left hand side only, just scroll down to the system here, system settings, where it says continue running background application when Brave is closed. You need to disable it and enable this option. Use graphic acceleration when available. Brave VPN, if you really don't use the Brave VPN, then you should go ahead and disable it completely. Memory saver, you should enable it. What it will do, it will free up memory from the inactive tabs. So let's say if you are working on the multiple tabs and you want that all the tabs should be open, but if you are not using them, what it will do, it will take back the memory occupied by those inactive tabs and it will provide to the new tab which you're currently using. Alright, so very useful feature. Keep this option enabled. And now you are completely done, guys. So this time you will find you will have the neat and clean Brave browser. You have optimized very properly, you have customized it, and even you have the more security layer now. And that's all, guys, for today. Hopefully you will now enjoy the Brave browser properly without any problem. And if you really like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.